you say hello? Hello. Gonna get some? You want me to help you? There you go. Oh, thank you.
Daddy.
Say daddy.
Daddy.
Where is he? Where is daddy?
Daddy.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just got off work. It's like 3:40, I think, and it's gorgeous. It wasn't like very nice out earlier in the day, and I only had like one kid today, so it was pretty quiet. And then it got super nice out, so we're actually on our way to the splash pad, which is about like a 5-minute walk from my house. So I figured we should take advantage of the sunshine because it's been off and on rain and then sun and then rain and then sun. So when it's sunny, gotta take advantage and seize the day, right? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Say hi. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Mwah. Mwah. You blow kiss? Say mwah. Are you saying daddy? Mom life. We're here. Mommy, gotta fix your shoe. Actually cleaned out the wagon too, and it's still filthy. And this shoe. Thank you. Are you ready to get out?
No.
Say hello. Can I get some ice cream?
Obviously, I didn't want to encourage him to throw the sand, but I mean, if it was another kid, obviously I would never allow him to do this, but he was just laughing so much, and it was just me and him, so I didn't see like the huge deal. It's not like that's something he would do to like another kid, and it wasn't hitting me or hurting me or anything. It was just so cute. We thought it was hilarious.
Don't throw it too much though. Yum. Yummy. He won't let me do it.
You wanna find a lover? I only got one love, and it's ice cream.
Good job.
You wanna find a lover? I only got one love, and it's ice cream. You wanna find a lover? I only got one love, and it's ice cream.
Wow. What's this? Are you ready for Betty Bye?
Baba. Bye. Baba.
Baba night night?
Nana.
You ready for night night? Baba and Betty Bye?
Baba.
Baba and Betty Boo?
Baba.
Night night? Night.
Nana.
Night night?
Mama.
Night night. Can I have a kiss? Alright guys, well I think we're gonna head back here soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. But I hope everybody enjoyed our beach day vlog. You say bye?